Hello beautiful, welcome to my channel. If you're new, well, surprise, surprise, it's not usually what I do. Usually we have techniques and drills, and I'll have some link below so you could do some beginner belly dancing. But this doesn't require lots of movement. It requires something more, which is building that confidence in yourself to, show your beauty. That's pretty much what it is. So I'm going to guide you through, and this is the perfect time. It's the month of February, so why not surprise your mate? And at the same time, let's change the environment in our home. If you've been stuck with pandemic and with this pandemic where you have to be homebound, wow, let's change that environment and spice it up. All right, let's get to it. All right, the veil. So I want you to bring your veil around your shoulder, over, it could be over your hair. And then you want to make sure that it's kind of aligned on the bottom here. It's not like this, okay? And I like to wrap my index finger, okay? So I wrap my index finger, and then my middle finger holds the index finger in the veil, okay? So there you go. This is how, and then I just bring the veil on top of my hands, okay? So when we walk in, when you start the music, you're gonna walk in. All what you do is bring one arm on top of the other, and then, or the hand on top of the other, and just kind of cover yourself. All right? And then the music starts, you're gonna walk, and then you're gonna take your time. And the moment you show your eyes, okay, so you have to really, you're unveiling your beauty, so don't give it all away. All right? So take it from the hair, slowly your forehead, and then the eyes. So you're gonna come here, just look. Okay, so slowly, 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 slowly. And then the moment there's gonna be a flute, the moment the flute starts, you show your eyes and you look, your eyes are just beaming with love and sensuality, and you're just looking at that person, okay? Your hubby, your mate. If you're practicing in front of your cat, your teddy bear, just look. Beautiful piercing eyes. And then notice my elbows. They're not like this. My elbows is up. So my hand is down and elbows up. Okay? So my elbows are almost like to just above the ears. And then I'm gonna turn slowly. Doesn't matter which one, if it's left or right, whatever comes natural to you, okay? So I'm gonna turn, you do a full 360, and then I want you to come around and show your shoulder, okay? So I'm gonna turn to my left, and then I'm gonna show off my left shoulder. And again, when I'm turning, I'm just taking my time, and then, oops, I wanna cover my shoulder. So you're taking your time, and then you're starting to unveil. So now you showed your eyes, your nose, your beautiful mouth, and then your neck, then your shoulder. Now shoulders are very sensual, very flirty. I love the shoulders. Now you could do a little shoulder roll. You could look at it, and you could lean with the chin going down to your shoulder. So chin up, and then roll your shoulder, and then chin down. Do that again. Chin up, chin, and then shoulder up, and then chin down, and look at your shoulder. So I want you to flirt. So I'm teaching you how to be a master teaser. And one thing with this little choreography, you don't really show much. So you're unveiling the beauty, your shoulders, your body parts, but you're really not going to show much. You're going to just tease and tease and tease, So that's what I like to do. I like to be a master teaser. Because, I don't know, there's something about teasing and not showing too much of yourself. Just excites the person. And it excites me because I didn't give myself all. I took my time. Okay, so then we're slowly going to turn around. And you look at your subject. And then you might just open a little bit, bring your arms to the front, and then open a little bit, little sneak peek. of your side. And then, oh, maybe you could close it. And then the goal is to really listen to the music. So the goal is going to be to listen over and over to the music, practice with the music, you know, so you become one with the music. So then I'm going to open, maybe do a little hip lift, a hip lift. So all I'm doing is going up and down. And my feet, I'm always kind of in my, we call it the classic pose. So basically I'm putting my weight on one foot, and the other one just, but my thighs are close together, okay? So, and if you want to, you could just flex your knees. You could have both feet. So, but you want to be in an angle, okay? And then if you want to bring your hip up, you could bring your heel off the floor. Just want to make sure you see this. Your heel off the floor and then down if you want to. But again, if you look at the video, you could look at that video over and over at the beginning, the demonstration of my little choreography, and then make it your own. You know, it doesn't have to be exactly like mine, but all I'm doing is kind of closing and opening. Again, I'm just teasing. I'm like, oh, you saw maybe too much. I'm going to close, but maybe, oh, another sneak peek. Okay, so have fun with this. And then I'm going to turn around. And then you don't need to turn around. You could just follow me. So, but I am now facing my beautiful hubby. And then I'm going to open up. Okay, my arms, my palms are facing down. I'm not too locked in, slight elbow bend. Okay, and then I'm just looking over one shoulder and taking my time looking over the left shoulder, maybe a little shoulder roll or just a lift. It doesn't have to be too much. And again, look at the part that you're actually showcasing. So if you're showcasing your hip, your shoulder, you know, whatever you're showcasing, have your eyes look at it. So your subject is also going to look where you're looking. So it's like, oh, look at that. Okay, and then you could bring your up and then down. The thing that's going to be really important is to learn to play with your props, because you want to make sure you're not stepping on the veil. So take your time to learn to play with your props. Okay, so the veil, sometimes it's easy to step on. So you want to make sure that your heels are soft, that you're not stepping on the veil. Okay, you're going to play around. Now you're going to bring it down, and then there's going to be a moment with the song where it goes hip, 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 or that's what it sounds like for me. But the guitar kind of strings harder. So it strings and goes da. So you just do soft knees. Make sure that your knees are not locked. Bend the knees when you're doing hip. Okay, so soft knees. Just sway your hips up and down. Okay, so I'm having the veil right underneath the butt, and I'm swaying my hips up and down. I'm just listening to the music. And then there's a part where it starts to strum really fast. That is a perfect time to do shimmies. Okay, so when I do the shimmies, again, I'm going knees forward and back. And basically, if you have a coin belt, you want to hear the coin. Can you hear it? That's what you want to do, is just shake the coin. And then just shake, 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 shake. Okay, we're almost done. There's not much, like I said, to this little combination choreography. You're just going to bring it up. Whoopsie, I was stepping on the veil. So that's what's going to happen. So you have to be really aware where your foot is, because you want to make sure it's not on the veil. I'm happy this happened, so that way you know this can happen. So you want to make sure you're not stepping on the veil. Maybe look down, but take your time looking down. So then you're going to go lift and then release. And then you're going to turn. And when you turn, don't turn with open arms. You still want to kind of hide your beautiful body. Okay? So you're going to turn and bring your arms just in front. So just a little, he has a little sneak peek again, or she. And then turn. You could do 2 turns. And this is the part where you're going to walk through the veil. So you're going to see, I like this veil because you can really see through. But you're going to bring one arm. So let's say you bring your left arm. Just bring it in front. Okay, and then the right arm goes behind you. Okay, goes behind you. And then straight. Yay! So then you're gonna walk through the veil. You can do a little shimmy, and again, he's still strumming, the musician, so you could do a little shimmy and then walk through the veil, and then you're gonna put the veil on your mate. Okay, you could put it on top of his head, and then he's gonna go, "Whoop! I want to see you." You could walk away, and that was it, or whatever you please. You could sit on him or her. So whatever you please, whatever you want to do. The finale or your ending is yours. I usually just walk away and leave him hanging. All right, we're gonna do this with music. Okay, so. And again, the goal is going to be for you to listen to that music over and over. So, and let me guide you through the music. Okay. Okay, I'm getting there. Okay, so you want to make sure that your veil, you have it. Okay, so I want to make sure you have your veil like this. Okay, so now start walking. Second doom, 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 doom. So the first doom, doom you didn't walk, but then the rest you did. Slowly take your time going down. The flute hasn't started yet. And now the flute starts. Show your eyes. Yes. And slowly you're going to turn to the left. Keep your elbows up. Take your time now. Look at me and showcase your shoulder. Slowly bring your arm down. And look at your shoulder. Little shoulder roll. Yes, this is yours. Love that shoulder. Yes. And then slowly turn around. I'm going to show your side. Then you can show your hip, maybe not, maybe yes. Hip up and down. Doom, doom, doom. Good, now you can hide. And now, slowly, bring your arm out, shoulder roll. Maybe your left shoulder, and then turn to the right shoulder. Little shoulder roll. Smile. I love my body. I might share it with you. Now hip, right, left, left. Sway, 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 sway. Sway, 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 sway. Now the shimmy is going to start. And then up. Good. And then slowly turn, turn, turn. Good. Now you can bring one arm to the front, the other one behind, and shimmy, 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 shimmy. Walk forward, and that's it. Yay! How was that? How was that? Okay, I'm going to shut the music. So you notice the music, it's about 9 minutes long. So I just let it run. I put the veil on top of him and then just leave, or I might just dance with him, do something else. So yeah, what else did I want to share with you? Just, you know, practice the veil, how you bring it around. Again, I just want to show you that one. So grab your veil. So we just did our shimmies. Okay, shimmy, 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 shimmy. Okay, and then slowly lift. Okay, just like, I love this little lift. Okay, it's like very cloudy. And then you're gonna turn, bring your arms to the front. Okay, and then again, I brought my left, it doesn't matter, whatever that comes naturally, but you have to bring one in front so you could hide. And then the other one goes behind, so my left arm is in front, my right arm goes all the way around, and then and then you can do your shimmy, and then walk through the veil. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments below if it's something you want to do more. Just want to end with this. You got to practice with your veil. You got to get to know your props. But the most important thing is learn to feel good inside of yourself when you're doing this. I know it's so different. And like when I dance this, for my hubby, I just did it as a demonstration, what I wanted to teach. I was nervous. I'm like, oh my gosh. And the most important thing is to breathe. Breathe into it. Just breathe, breathe, breathe. So when you have the veil, okay, so you just did your shimmy, and then you're like, he's not going to hear it. And the music's going to be loud enough, so just breathe. When you walk in, breathe. And when you bring that veil down, breathe. When you look at him, I want to make sure that doesn't, breathe. Breathe out. So practice with the breath, okay? Because the breath helps you to relax. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this. Happy dancing, and keep me posted. I love you. Bye.